Ayan si ano. Kanina no?
Alam niyo to. Nag-okay lang tayo ngayon para umis na yung Pilipinas.
Pa rin yung pagkatabi nyo sa ilang mga segments natin today because we're here until 8 p.m. We still have a lot more for you. So just visit our booth and all our sponsors locations. Congratulations to any representative team members from Reps Al-Shabaab Campus. Congratulations. You are Reps Al-Shabaab Campus Team 1!
Design and printing for 15%. Great space for 10%. For a total of 100%.
And of course, I believe our judges really have it. Our winners for the Filipino, Filipina, and Morocco Fashion Show. And of course, we'd like to thank our sponsors, Cebu Pacific, Creative Exponent, Philippine Airlines, the Filipino Channel, the Filipino Times, 8 Stars Tailoring,